Come test drive the 2016 CRV. CRV, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.